Oh shoot, good morning. Hey, my name is Janet P. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Janet, and if you're welcome. Let's redo this whole thing. Hey, my name is Janet P. If you've never seen my face before, and if you're returning, welcome back, bookies. Okay, I think it's like 6:30, close 6:30. I'm at 7:30, close 7:30. I have to be at class by 8. So we about to just, hurry up. I'm gonna brush my teeth, put some clothes on. Y'all may see me before I go to class, but if y'all don't see me before I go to class, you'll see me after class for sure. So I'll get back to y'all when I'm done with all of this stuff. I'm dressed, I'm back, I'm ready. I'm gonna head out. I just got on this shirt, it's a graphic shirt. It says Lost Cause, like a skull on the back, it's purple. And I got on some sweatpants and my Crocs. And I'll see y'all when I got to class. And I'm thinking I'm gonna leave it. And I'll see y'all when I get to the library. I'm gonna walk into the library. I walk into the library and I'm about to sit in here and fix this iPad. I don't know what's going on. It's tweaking out on me. And I'm gonna leave, go home. Y'all, a package came. I'm gonna do a package unboxing. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna cook on the grill. Hopefully I don't forget to bring y'all with me when I cook on the grill. Cause I took the meat out so I can season it and put it on the grill. I'll see y'all when I get to the library. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm back. I think y'all last seen me when I was walking into the library. So I was in the library for about 2 hours, just doing work, catching up and stuff. And then I came home, I folded clothes. Y'all, I have 3 baskets of clothes. I knocked all 3 baskets out in probably like maybe 20 minutes. So I folded all the clothes, put them away, took my shower, and now I look at this package. I ordered some more of my facial wash. It's not a PR yet. Y'all, if y'all have any tips like on PR, like how to get PR, please let me know, because I'm trying. And I'm not giving up. I'm just gonna keep trying and keep emailing. Y'all, if I tell y'all the price, y'all probably looking like I'm crazy. My mirror facial wash. I tried to get a bigger one because I have my travel size. Honestly, this right here will last me like a year, literally a year, maybe a little longer than a year. Because my travel size bottles usually last me about 3 weeks to a month. So if I keep paying $17 every month times 12 months, I get $204. But it will last the whole year. But that's all, y'all. I'm about to lay down, watch some YouTube. I'm about to eat my leftover Wingstop. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I'm doing something interesting. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I'm about to cut up this onion. I might make some turkey burgers and some grilled turkey chops, but I need to saute these.
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't want to sound righteous.
Hey y'all, it's the next day. It's August 24th. I just put on something quick, cute, because me and baby about to go out to eat. A little fit check for y'all. A Forgiven graphic tee, some gray leggings, and then my orange New Balances, because there's orange in the letters, and my necklaces with my baby initial, and then a cross. This is not part of the outfit. It's just got my hair tied now. Featuring my urban outfitters purse. We're about to go out to eat, see some Indian food. I may record, but we shall see. So, love y'all. We made it to the Indian restaurant. So we're gonna go in here We're gonna go in here. I'll see y'all. Y'all, I look so crazy. It is actually don't know what time it is. It is 11:06 in the morning, Sunday the 25th. The 25th. I'm just getting up. Like, I ain't even brush my teeth, but I am about to eat. And got some eggs, some turkey bacon, and some protein waffles. Gonna eat on this. I didn't come back to y'all yesterday after the Indian restaurant, but the Indian restaurant was good. 10 out of 10. We love Indian food. My wife had got the chicken tikka masala, and I had got the chicken vindaloo. After that, we went home and ended up falling asleep, and that's it. But the food was good. Yeah, today I'm going to go see my aunt. So I might come with me for a little bit. So I'll be back to y'all when I'm getting ready or when I'm doing something else interesting. Hey y'all, so I'm back. About to put on the scarf so I can stay down. And I'll see y'all in a second. This is the hair. I'm just about to tie it down. And I'm gonna show y'all the fit. Very simple. Crop top that says Miami. Some jean shorts and my Yeezy slides. Simple, cute, it's hot. I was gonna show y'all like horizontal in my mirror, but my mirror is dirty and I haven't cleaned it yet, so I'll see y'all later. Currently at Dunkin' Donuts and I'm getting me a coffee. I haven't had a coffee in forever. So yeah, we're in the Dunkin' Donuts line. I'm probably gonna go to the store first because my aunt was like come a little later, or I might just sit out in some nature, like just sit at the park or something and drink and eat and just, you know, relax. I'm not passionate princess right now. I'm driving. I hope I don't hit this curve. Y'all, when I first started driving, I was good for hitting a curve. Like almost every curve I would hit, and it's like bad. Like, girl, do you know how to drive? How did you get your license? Okay, so we secured the coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna read y'all what it is. A medium ice original coffee with light ice, 4 caramel swirls, 4 liquid cane sugars, almond milk, and cold foam. So we're about to taste it, make sure it tastes good because, yeah. It's not good. It's actually pretty nasty. It's definitely not sweet enough for me at all. Let me drink it from the bottom with a straw because that's not good. I'm gonna have to add my own stuff in there. When you drink it from the bottom, it's good. Let's taste the sandwich too. Sorry for the loud noise. I didn't realize how loud my noise be until I was watching my video. I got the thing. Let's taste it. I'm a little scared. Oh. It's not bad. I will actually eat it. I just don't think I'm hungry right now. The camera might look a little blurry because I keep trying to wipe it off, but it's acting up. We're at the park. I got my stuff. We're gonna journal and do a word search. I just relax because mentally I need it. I'll be back to y'all when I'm leaving, maybe. And yeah, I'll see y'all.
Need your love, come stay with me tonight. I can't go without my dress because I am not alright.
I'm done journaling and doing my word search. It's like 3:30. Welcome to the car. So I'll see y'all when I get in the car. As y'all can see, I am home now. We have a package. So let's see. Is the TikTok shop talking about something or is everybody just capping front of my Let's see. Yeah, so I let it charge for a bit. It's the first level. Okay, let's see. We're record with it. Here, let's see. Okay. That thing is light. You can turn it up, you can turn it down if you want it like. I'm recording in the dark and me looking like. Period.
Bye guys. I don't want to be in it. Janet's forcing me to be in it and I don't want to. Please get this off.
Period, queen. It's future me editing. So I just want to pop in and say thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, drop down the orange heart. Orange hearts. Orange hearts. Thank y'all so much. We hit 200 subscribers. We hit 200 subs. Like, 200 subs in under 200 months, in under 2 months. We're going up. When I say the sky's the limit, this is just the beginning. I want to thank y'all so much for supporting me, getting me to 200 subscribers. Thank y'all so much for engaging. Like, y'all love me and I love y'all, and I promise we got more content on the way. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, bookies.